got me?
Yep, I got you.
Or you hold the rope, got it tight,
Okay.
and then you go.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Could add in a little bit of.
Or just land it. How about that? You can get that. You just got to keep the rope tight, because when you land, you got to be. The timing on this has got to be perfect.
It's got to be.
Hey, you think he's gonna get this?
I know.
Said there ain't no way you're getting it.
You know what I say?
What you say?
Watch me. Shoot! Go!
Nice. Gorilla snaps. What?
All right, guys, we're back here at the pond again. So we're gonna be making another awesome skimboarding video, and as you can see, we already got the white table out. It's time. We're gonna be surfing the table. You know it. You're gonna break the table. All right, we also got these boards over here. We're gonna be seeing which one of us gets wet first, and then we're gonna end off with the table. So stay tuned for the table. Get ready. Let's hit it.
Hey, this is a dry start. Whoever gets wet first loses.
All right.
I said we flip a board.
Flip a board. Flip a board. All right, bet.
Oh, okay.
Flip a board. Decide who goes first.
I got
This points. This points. To
No,
who's
that's
going first.
heads. This is
No,
heads.
no, we're not.
And that's
Heads and tailing. Stay back. Get back.
what?
Wherever this points. You going first?
All right, so if he gets wet
what if you do three,
and
how
then
many
you
do-
go and you dry, you automatically win.
Right.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
Easy as that.
Whoever gets wet first, let's go. Go! What?
Oh, here we go again.
Whoa! Go, go! Whoa! Okay, go!
We're not getting wet. We're not getting wet. Go.
You got wet.
Where did you fall?
He tried to do a trick. He was doing a backwards 360 or something.
Carry the boards! Not you. Got your nose.
He said his balls are freezing.
Oh, there's ice.
Hey, let me ask you. Do you think, I saw this today, and I almost sent you the video, but I didn't.
Okay.
All right.
Because you know I probably wouldn't have watched.
No, you wouldn't have watched it. All right, dude started like this.
Uh-huh.
Film me.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Coming you.
You got me?
Yep, I got you.
All right, so you hold the rope, right?
Yeah. Okay.
You got it tight,
Okay.
and then you go.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I just did it right there, baby. I just did it right there.
Hold the rope. Hold the rope.
That's exactly right. Bless you.
I could add in a little bit of.
Or just land it. How about that? You're not even warmed up yet. You hadn't even got a good run yet. The timing on this has got to be perfect.
It's got to be.
All right, you ready?
Whenever I say go. Go. I got that, bro. I landed it.
I know you can do it. Dude, you get to where you're dropping like this. That's a game changer. That's like a whole new video.
Hey, I got that.
Do you think he's gonna get it?
Yeah, I know.
He would have hit that. Dude, that's a... Dude, you hit that trick, it's insane, bro. You in another league if you hit that, bro.
Dude, go.
With the inspirational quote. What did you say?
You know when the haters tell me I can't, you know what I say?
I can't.
Watch me.
Oh.
All right, what you gonna do? What you thinking?
Bruh, you gotta keep the momentum.
And-
I'm on with the board.
It's a smooth. You don't drop the board and then jump on it like you jump it in the bathtub.
Wait, so you're actually learning to look?
I don't care what you do, but do it right. It's got to be drop, jump. Like,
Better.
that's better, way better.
Better.
Way better.
I hit the brakes.
What is that?
So nonchalant.
What is that? Ooh, 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 I like that. Bro, I like that. Dude, what? You were getting low? Get low, baby. That was good. I like that. Oh, he can hit that. It's over. Dude, if you hit that, it's over. Like, we submit this to Nitro Circuit or Red Bull and they sign you immediately on the spot, it's over. Like, you hit that, it's over. Speaking of that, if there's any brands out there that want to work with backyard surfers, hit us up. Hit us up.
Let us know.
Let us know. Do something cool and make something happen, please. I don't know. Something I can show on YouTube. Something people would watch on YouTube and hit like on. How about that? What are you trying to do? Tell me.
Okay, I'm gonna jump on the board. I'm gonna get low like this, touch water, 360, and then a double pump at the end.
And bank.
And then back.
Finish with bank. All right, here we go.
Go!
No. All right, it's Willis Surf table time. Let's go. Let's get it.
Let's go. You ready? Go! That kind of hurt.
Bruh, it's floating. You got this. It's floating, dude.
Grab my board, you know.
Dude.
What's up, dude?
All right, hear me out on this.
Drain?
If you put a leg up and leave it like that, you hit the board. If it's in the water, you skim off the
that's
board.
awesome,
Dude,
yeah.
that would be
I
insane.
feel that.
Yeah,
Just like that.
yeah, I know that.
Pop that.
Put your weight toward the back. Yeah. That's it. That's it. You just figured it out. Yeah, that's it. You're gonna ride it. I guarantee it.
Go! Ow, that hurts so bad.
Wait, what are you doing?
Well, let's surf, but like, I'm gonna try and pop up.
Oh, okay.
Jumping all stuff. You ready? Go!
Stay on it. I'm done. I'm done watching it because it's an absolute nightmare. You're not like, I don't even know. It didn't even have a chance.
I'm playing my first varsity football game tomorrow, so I'm trying to do it in the least ways that hurt.
Yeah, got it. We don't need you getting hurt. You're playing varsity football tomorrow for the first time, starting.
Okay.
play, yes. That's the play. That's what they want right there. That's what they want. What the heck? I don't know what that was. Were you still thinking you were riding a picnic table? Oh my God, he had it.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. We're gonna be doing some Halloween videos coming up in the future. We got we're gonna do some costumes, ride some one wheels, ride some skimboards. I don't know. We'll think about it. So thank y'all for watching. And yeah, we did a lot of cool stuff today. We did the drop, the try to shove it, did get it. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. The table didn't end up working. It was just hurt too bad. It was like there's so much metal. It was hard to get on it right. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.
Hey, next Will It Surf Luke's truck.
Wait, you think I can land that trick? Never done, only done one.
Let's see.
Thank you.
Hold on.
I don't have my board posse. Never mind.
Oh, I'm about to get it.
Never mind.
Hit a couple other ones. You alright?
Yeah.
Don't hurt yourself. Alright.
Can't do that on land or in water.